So today we are gathered here to have a focus group discussion about Titan, its brand perception and brand promotions. So we'll start off with a small introduction of yours. So we can start.
I'm Gautam and I'm from IPM 2014 batch.
And I'm Chandra and I'm from 2014 batch.
I'm Utsav from IPM 2014 batch.
Hi, I'm Anusha from PGP 2014 batch.
Hi, I'm Shubhangi from PGP 2014 batch.
I am Lakshay from PGP 2014 batch.
I am Harshit from PGP 2014 batch.
Hi, Prakash. This is from PGP 2014 batch.
Thank you all. So I'll start off with a small introduction. So we actually are going to do this particular marketing research for Titan showroom in TI Mall. So a brief introduction is that Titan belongs to Tata Group and it has 5 brands under it. So basically we'll go through genres of age groups under which these 5 brands are targeted, and like we'll test you also as to how much you know about these brands. So we are basically targeting how to go about promotions of these particular brands and on what occasions and when, what time, and what are the different criteria you measure a particular watch and buying a watch on. So we'll go through why do consumers look for promotions while buying a product, what are the promotions which attract the consumer to purchase, where is the consumer buying it from, is he buying it from a store or is he going online and purchasing it, and how effective do the different promotion strategies translate into sales. So this will be the brief agenda. So we'll start off with the questions. Okay, so we start off basically about what are the purposes that you buy a watch for. So you can discuss about what do you look for in a watch and why do you need it.
Well, it changed like my requirements for buying a watch changed as I grew up. When I was a kid, it was the Snap brand. I think it was from Titan itself. And then maybe when I was a middle schooler, there was a Sonata watch which was gifted to me. And now I don't wear Titan.
But then, yeah, I mean, as a teenager, Fast Track was something which was the most sought after brand because it had style and it had, it was really considered cool to wear a watch, at least in high school. So that was one thing. And now it's more of a requirement, and plus you would also see that it's elegant more than it's, stylish or something.
I would suggest adding a point to what she has said. Now, watches rather serving its purpose, it is serving something beyond it. We use it to showcase ourselves. Basically, it stands as a symbol of one's status, is what I would like to say about watch use currently.
In fact, adding to it, I believe that a watch becomes part of your personality. What watch you wear is kind of a reflection of what kind of person you are and what your tastes are.
Yeah, I choose watch because of two reasons. One is the status and one more thing is style.
Okay, so how many of you actually own a Titan watch over here?
Fast Track.
Yeah. And how many of you are aware of the different brands that come under Titan?
Sonata,
Fast Track,
Yeah. So I guess you are aware about the brands. So what are the various decisions that you keep in mind while going for buying a watch? What all do you look in a watch?
Figuratively speaking, I actually look at a watch which actually reflects back me. Whenever people look at my watch, I expect them to understand what kind of personality I am through that watch. So that is what I look at, rather than its style or price matters. But still, what I expect is the finish that they give to the watch that reflects my personality to others.
See, I give most importance to the brand value. See, when we wear watch, so because of its brand value, it will reflect our status. So I give more importance to the brand value which it carries.
When I'm gifting it to somebody else, I look at their age. Like generally, if say it's my mom, then I would gift her Raga and not like something like that.
I would even look at the size of the watch and whether it's obviously the other basic features of the watch. Like if it's big, I would probably choose it over something that's really small because then that reflects the age and the fact that you're running probably beyond
generally when I buy a watch, so I generally buy two watches. One is for my general use, for my basic purpose, because even if it for my wear and tear purposes, I know that I'm not very handy with watches generally. So I buy a basic fast track watch, and for special occasions or for special meetings and all, I buy a Armani Emporio or even a Casio, the higher versions of Casio. So in that sense, and for gifting to my cousins and all, I generally buy fast track watches.
I feel for general purposes, earlier maybe during my school time, I used to buy a watch. I used to buy very informal type of watches. But as time receded, I started using mobile as for general purposes, for seeing what's the time. Only for formal purposes, I have bought a watch, and that's the main purpose for buying. It goes with the look, with the formal look.
Thing is that when like I consider Lakshay and in the same age group, when the brand concentration was not as much as when we grew up, but while we reached around
Office.
office work, and that time we needed watches for different purposes. For example, when we were small, our wrist sizes were not so big and all, so the watches were not available in different sizes, different variations. So as we grew up, we looked for different dials, different size of dials. So that was a very big change in perception of our watches. That okay, this is a different dial. Okay, I need this size right now for my use. So that was another thing that came up with time.
Okay. So, for your last purchase, did you guys go and look for a particular promotion, or were you waiting for an offer to come, or was it a special occasion that you were waiting for the watch to buy, or was it a general buy? Like when you required it, you buy it.
It was a general buy in my case. I just went and bought a watch.
Okay.
Last time I waited for this 2012 December. They promoted Flipkart promoted some day.
Yes.
So I waited for that day and I looked for the promotions and then I bought it.
Okay. So you had a watch in mind, and then you waited for a particular offer or promotion to come to buy
Yeah,
it. Okay. So how many of you are like experienced with buying a watch online? Like have bought a watch online? Okay, you have. Okay, so if given a chance, what kind of promotional activity will appeal to you the most? So what will you look for the most in a promotional activity if you're going for a watch?
I think I'll look out for something like buy a watch now and get a discount on the next watch that you purchase. Because I think I mostly gift watches, so I need some offers frequently, so that will be a consideration for myself.
In my case, I am not a regular buyer. So I'll see if an immediate discount is possible on that particular purchase.
And what has been your last encounter of a promotion of a Titan? Like, are you aware of any TV advertisements or newspaper advertisements? And what attracts you most towards those advertisements, and what impact does that advertisement have on you?
The last Titan advertisement that I was able to see was the Sonata advertisement, in which I'm not able to recognize the name of the actress. That advertisement portrays a great deal of feminism, whereas the other guy, who is the ex-lover of the girl, asks him
Even
why.
I saw that. It was a very progressive ad.
It had a deep meaning in it, where the other guy asks the women, why don't we get married? And he also asks the women to quit the job for getting married, whereas the girl actually says, you didn't still change, you were the same when I left you. So which actually portrays a deep sense of feminism, and that's a good thing I found about the Titan apps. It was I think Raga collection.
Yeah, they have become more progressive in nature. Like the woman is always portrayed as an independent woman, and this was.
Okay, so does the brand ambassador attract you more, or the message in the
The
advertisement?
message, because I don't care who the actress
Okay.
who's playing here is.
Okay. So I'll give you a scenario. So say for example, you want to buy a watch. You have a particular watch in mind, and you know that a particular sales promotion is about to come up. So are you willing to wait for that particular promotion, and how long are you willing to wait? So we generally see a trend that most of the promotions are during Diwali season or any other festival season. So do you have that in mind while buying your watch?
If you're planning to buy a watch anytime soon, then you would wait for another.
Yeah, maybe say 1 or 2 months, but not more.
Not more than that.
Okay.